and happy weekend. I thought I would just do like a Saturday and Sunday vlog and put it out on Monday since it is Mother's Day weekend, so you guys can see what I'm up to. The stores were packed with people today, but was really nice to get out. My neighbor invited me to come along. We went to Lowe's. We saw gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. It was so pretty. Then, let's see, I went from Lowe's to Target to Dollar Tree to Kroger to Food Fair and home. I did not make big purchases. I just bought stuff from Kroger to cook for dinner tomorrow because I'm having my mother-in-law over. Also too, I spent $13 at Target. I got a new welcome mat, which I'll show you guys what it looks like outside my door. Really pretty. And I didn't really need a whole lot, so I just kind of went to browse, really. I'm going to let you guys go, and I will keep you posted if anything exciting happens this evening. But definitely going to share my weekend with you. Good morning, everybody. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. It is 7 a.m. in the morning. Actually, I got up at 6:30. I just want to make sure that I had about a half hour to just kind of read up on the news and have my cup of coffee and get the old brain working before I started doing anything. I did lay out my dinner rolls because I buy the frozen dinner rolls and they take about 3-4 hours to thaw and rise. And they are in my laundry room on top of my washing machine covered in a towel. So those will be risen in time to eat. We're going to eat at 2 o'clock. I decided to make Mother's Day Sunday dinner today because my mother-in-law has been cooking for us quite a few times. In fact, we were going to have pizza pockets last night, but then she called and said that they had leftovers from where we had steak, and they still had some steak left and wanted to know if we wanted to come over and have some steak and some french fries. And we went over and she had coffee made and I had a cup of coffee, and that was so nice because I had a very long day yesterday. I mean, my day started at I think I woke up at 5:43 to let you guys know I was up early. And then I went shopping. I cleaned the whole house. I went shopping. I came home, I put all that away, and then I was tired, guys. I was tired. My son, Dylan, texted me last night. I'm going to tell you guys something. I don't know if you guys are like me, but it's not always about the gifts. It's just simply about the time that means so much to a mom. And he took the time to text me yesterday, Happy Mother's Day. We did have a little bit of a conversation, and we're going to talk later on this evening. And really and truly, that is what touches my heart. It's just a little bit of time. Just a little bit of time. Lucas, of course, has already called. He calls me every day, pretty much. Texts me every day. So I'll be hearing from him today again. So I look forward to that. And I've got to get started on my food because my arm is getting tired. I thought I would throw this in there that I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday and they had these baskets, which are not like the real. I'll show you guys the difference. See, I wanted all white because I thought that it just looked so much, so much cleaner in here, and it went with these canisters, and obviously my shelves are white. And I had these. You can see that there is a depth difference in these. However, when you have a deep basket, it just seems like everything kind of gets lost in the bottom. So I'm going to try these out because I kind of like the way they aren't real deep and things won't get lost. And if this is my dishcloth, and I'm going to actually label these with my label maker at some point, but I just pull this down and I know that these are my dishcloths. These are my dish towels and my mats. I put my mats on top. This is my laundry stuff, of course, my coffee stuff, my trash bags, and then all of this. And I've gone through this in another vlog, but I did move all of my kind of my baking gear over here. I still have not labeled these, and I'm going to, and I'm realizing that next time I go to the grocery store I need to stock up just a little bit. But I do love the fact that I just love being able to see what I have. That is a big thing for me. You guys know that I'm visually impaired, so having things at eye level where I can actually see, I've kind of had to make this pantry work for me. I bought these 2 baskets, and these are utilizing all of my small Tupperware. I also redid my silverware drawer. I had one of those plastic containers that separates your silverware in here, but it was not working, and I intend to get another set of silverware besides what I have here to make sure that I have enough when I have company. And these here fit perfectly in here, so that worked out nicely. And then there was this one, and it fit in there nicely and nice and snug, and I could put the remainder of items that I needed in there. So very happy with how that came out. There is my strawberry salad. I'm going to slip that in the refrigerator, and it should set up in a couple hours, and then I'll top it with some homemade whipped cream. My pumpkin roll batter is done, and it is poured into my pans. I'm going to slip both of these into the oven, and they should bake about 15 minutes. And if you want the recipe, I will link it down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. It is so amazing. It is a family recipe. We make these usually around Thanksgiving, but because I had a giant can of pumpkin and my mother-in-law has not had a homemade pumpkin roll before, I thought this might be a treat today. So while they are baking and smelling wonderfully delicious, I've already prepped my station to turn them over and roll them up. Ronnie here is mopping up a storm for me.
It is looking shiny, honey.
I know it. It looks so good on. And I'm about to go in the kitchen and finish up the food. I got the table set over here. And thanks to my good friend Emma Sexton, I got a basket for my bread now, which is awesome because it looks so cute. Thank you, Emma. And thank you, Dollar Tree, for my new plates. And Walmart for my tablecloth and the glasses. If you want to know, I think you can buy them at Walmart, but I actually bought them secondhand. They were still in the boxes where nobody had used, and they look like the mason jars. Anyways, real cute, and they match, so that's good. Everything's blue for Mother's Day. I thought it was nice. Ronnie's just mopping away. I told him I'd finish cooking once he got done mopping. And he's already sprayed my feet twice, so my feet are real good and clean. Dinner rolls ready for the oven. Oh gosh, I cannot wait to dive into these. wind we're getting. Oh my goodness, happy Mother's Day. And it looks like it's going to rain. I just felt a sprinkle. Well, it is time to close this Mother's Day weekend vlog out and say goodnight to each and every one of you. I am tired. Do you guys know that I cooked for 7 hours today? 7 hours. Anyhow, my son called me today, and while I was on the phone, which by the way, I even talked to my mother today. I talked to my mother on the phone for 1 hour and 43 minutes. And so while I was on the phone, I worked and I cleaned up after dinner and put away leftovers and scrubbed the stove down. So all of that is done. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment because you guys know I love to see you guys' comments. Anyways, happy Mother's Day, guys, and I will be seeing you Wednesday. Bye, guys.